To import Semrush Social Media Toolkit, start by logging into your Semrush account and navigating to the Social Media Toolkit section. This is where you will be able to access and manage all of your social media accounts and analytics. First, click on the Setup button to begin the import process. You will be prompted to select the social media platforms you want to connect to Semrush. Choose the platforms you want to track and click Next. You will then be asked to authorize Semrush to access your social media accounts. This is a necessary step to allow Semrush to collect data and analytics from your social media platforms. Once you have authorized access, you will be taken to a page where you can select the specific social media accounts you want to connect to Semrush. Choose the accounts you want to track and click Next. Semrush will then begin to import your social media data and analytics. This may take a few minutes depending on the amount of data being imported. Once the import is complete, you will be taken to the Social Media Toolkit dashboard where you can view and manage all of your social media accounts and analytics. From here you can track engagement metrics, monitor brand mentions, and analyze your competitors' social media presence. Best practices for using the Semrush Social Media Toolkit include regularly monitoring your social media accounts and analytics, tracking your competitors' social media presence, and using the data and insights to inform your social media marketing strategy. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively import and use the Semrush Social Media Toolkit to improve your social media marketing efforts and gain a competitive edge in your industry.